Ever wondered why your yoga practice isn't delivering the results you hoped for? Proper technique is essential to unlocking yoga's full physical and mental benefits while also preventing injury. Let's explore 3 common yoga mistakes that often go unnoticed and how you can correct them for better progress. First, holding your breath. Many practitioners focus so intently on physical alignment that they forget to breathe deeply and steadily, which leads to unnecessary tension and early fatigue. To fix this, consciously coordinate your breath with each movement, using inhalations and exhalations to energize your body and calm your mind. Second, overextending your joints. It's tempting to push for a deeper stretch or more dramatic pose, but hyperextending elbows, knees, or other joints can strain ligaments and cause pain or injury. Instead, maintain a slight bend in your joints and respect your body's natural limits to protect your joints. Third, neglecting core engagement. Relying solely on flexibility without activating your core muscles can result in poor posture and back discomfort. Engage your abdominal muscles in every pose, from downward dog to warrior, to support your spine and improve overall stability. Practicing with mindful awareness of these points will help you progress safely and enjoy the full benefits of yoga. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now for more insights on fasting and health.